Hey, hey.
Okay. All right. Man, what a freaking day, man. What a day. Okay. How that shit go, man? All right. Well, I guess as we wait for that, I guess we can. Damn, Nasdaq hasn't even moved. Oh my god, dude. It's always a beautiful thing when I open up a Nasdaq chart and she's not doing absolutely nothing. Hmm. Yeah, I guess that is a big concern of mine. I guess that is. I don't want it to be though. Oh my god, dude. Let me just get this shit done. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this because I don't really feel like it. Man, today's just been one of those days. One of those days. Mm. In title, well, not even necessarily title, but position. Yeah. Mm. And just do the easy stuff first. And yeah, like just do the easy stuff. And I'll just come back and do that tomorrow or something. Cause yeah, I mean you can got something to do tomorrow morning. do that tomorrow. I'll just do that shit tomorrow. Just do the quick stuff. Yeah. All right. Yeah. This drop on gold would have been nice earlier today. It would have been nice earlier today. That shit, honestly, that's even if he gets it, honestly. All right, so let's see if we can get this short. All right, let's see. Let's see if the Bears are going to keep knocking this thing down. So, towards the end of the yesterday's session, I was able to catch this short, and I was actually targeting 60 right here. I'm glad the market didn't bounce towards the end of the day, but it just would have been nice if we could have gotten 61 yesterday. I was able to get my money back, and I was profitable about $800 in that move. So I was happy about that. And I just took a chance on the Bears not taking out that high, or the Bulls not taking out that high. Gold definitely has a hard time breaking out. If I do expect if we don't see a short here, if we see gold continue to push higher, we will definitely break out. There's no question about that. I doubt that the market triple tops at this high or quadruple tops at this high. I doubt it. So we'll see what happens. I think gold is coming back down. Gold is still making, the moves that people are used to, but I think she's calming down. I mean, she's not breaking out every damn day anymore. She's not just running. She's actually we're actually seeing some freaking price action here and there with gold. You can kind of trust a double top. You can trust price action with this instrument now. I'm kind of considering if I should so I have an Apex account that rebuilds tomorrow, and I'm considering if I should trade gold, but like kind of go in with the one contract and kind of scale into it as it goes in my direction. I'm considering trading that way. Considering it. Because like I say, you really can't trust the Nasdaq with support and resistance, but you can trust the Nasdaq with momentum. That's definitely something that Nasdaq definitely has an advantage over gold, is that it's not going to necessarily adhere to support and resistance, but when it starts moving, you can definitely get in very profitable scalps. So I think we made about 7K this morning scalping in the sim. Just following a simple EMA strategy, and we was able to make about 7K in the sim today. I know we can translate that success when my Apex accounts rebuild tomorrow. So that's definitely something that I'm gonna do tomorrow. Mm. And I guess technically we just had a breakout technically. Mm. And what about it went against me like 4 points? Mm, okay. What's up, Cave Trader? Yeah. Mm. Yeah, what's up, Kitty? Yeah, the Nasdaq is for whatever reason. I just looked at it and it's trading in like a 4 point range right now. Mm, mm. Mm. When will you learn? When will you learn? Learn. Mm. Y'all talking about in Nasdaq or y'all talking about in gold? Or shit, probably both. I mean, the Nasdaq. I think the only place that I think that that was crazy was this false breakdown, and then this thing pushes back up. I know people probably lost a lot of their accounts in this move right here, but I guess I don't know. I guess the Nasdaq was kind of straightforward. I guess, at least for me, it was. Nasdaq was kind of straightforward about what it was doing in the moment. This gold that just be pissing me off. Doing shit. Missing targets or missing limit entries, shooting up 10 million points yesterday after missing me by, I had my limit at what, 39.3. It bounced at 40. So literally it just missed me set by 7 ticks and then shoots up about 50, 40 points, 43 points yesterday. It's like gold doesn't ever want to see me succeed. I don't know. I took that, like I said, I took that short on gold yesterday and it almost stopped me out. I was away from my desk. I had like one more point. That's all I had. And it almost got me, and then it goes in my direction. Or it went in my direction. Nah, you're wrong, Alfred. You don't know how it's like when me and gold is alone. You just don't know. You don't know how good we are when nobody is looking. When it's just me and gold. I feel like someone. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to come back tomorrow morning, man. Cause she'll rip your heart out, man. Yo, man, that is so close to the truth, man. Gold literally has me thinking sometimes. Gold literally has me thinking, like, damn, like, did it really have to do that? Did it really have to miss my target and then stop me out? I mean, like, what made it do that? Like, why would she do that? I mean, gold is just so straightforward. So it's so straightforward. It's not even the Nasdaq. I'm not even getting faked out or nothing. Dude, I don't know what it is. When I take a loss on gold, I'm thinking, dude, what just happened? Yeah, it's gonna probably get. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to. I do think that the market breaks out tonight, though. I don't doubt that for a second. I think this is just probably like a pullback or something. But I don't doubt for a moment that gold is not going to break out today. Yeah, I mean, shit in every freaking market, blue sky. And every freaking market, bears just get taken advantage of, clapped, turned around, clapped. But I mean, the crazy thing is, in order for the pullback to work, I mean, the bears got to sell it in order to get a pullback. But man, when it's time to short, man, these bears just suck. So let's just hope that I'm not gonna tell gold what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna tell her what I'm gonna do. Because I think if I tell her what I'm gonna do, she's gonna try to make it a point not to do it. I kind of already see what I need to do. I kind of see what I need to do here. If we see price continue to move to the downside, I know what I need to do. Yeah. I think last week, I think all gold traders probably just had a bad week last week. I don't think I did bad in this account last week. Been having trouble this week with with gold this week. I don't know what the heck has been going on. But last week in this account we did pretty good. It's in this account right here that for whatever reason gold has just been for whatever reason, I don't know. I really don't know what the heck is going on here. I mean, I was able to kind of break even, but last week on gold was just crazy, man. I've never had this. I mean, until this month, I haven't had these many red days in gold. And this kind of makes me think that I'm doing it to myself, like I'm self-sabotaging for whatever reason. I've never had this many red days in gold. At least not in a row. Like this is what, 1, 3, 5. This is 6 trades in a row that I lost. Up until this point, I haven't lost this many times with gold. It's crazy. I mean, if I lose the first trade, I usually get the second trade. But just losing with gold back to back like this is new for me. I don't know I really don't know. I really don't know, honestly. I really don't know. See, lost 2 accounts last week with gold. Yeah, man. She's been a grim reaper lately, man. She's been the grim reaper lately. She's doing Nasdaq numbers. I don't know how it is. I really don't. Doesn't matter of bad timing. Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate that, Blue Sky. Yeah, I mean, that's all we can do, right? That's all we can do when we're trading because we have no control over it. Yeah, okay. I mean, if it breaks out above this high, then I mean, that's kind of all she wrote. She breaks out above this high. I'm getting stopped out here. Because, I mean, shit, price is already kind of in supply right now. I mean, she took out that pivot. She took out this pivot. We got the break. Looks like the bulls tried to find support above it. And now we're breaking down. So if the bears don't hold this, then they're going to get squeezed out. And I'm going to get squeezed with them. And this position is going to be done. So, I have faith in the bears here. But I'm not going to stay on their side for too long. I kind of, like I said, I think I know what I need to do in this situation because if I don't do it, then I feel like I'm going to regret it. And gold is not going to be nice. She's not going to be merciful. So I'm just going to keep my eyes on it. You said it makes you want to trade to YM? Shit. I mean, I have to be, well, shit. Like, we spoke about the YM previously. Shit, I feel like YM is definitely this is a swing instrument. You swing the YM. The YM is very good at maintaining the trend. Like just imagine being in your personal account, just swinging the YM. I mean, for what, 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight, the market has just been going down. Just imagine you have like I mean, even if you don't have the best position, if you're in right here, you got all that downside. Yo, YM goes in one direction. You don't ever have to worry about YM making a crazy ass up move as it's doing a downtrend. YM looks like it's very consistent with its reversals. It's going to range first, and then it's going to break out. It's going to stair step its way right back up, kind of like what happened here when it was going up in an uptrend. And how many days did it go up in an uptrend? Look at a daily chart. Yeah, so for like 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's went down. 1, 2, 3. Red. Well, technically, it didn't break that low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you held it for 8 days and then it goes down and goes up, I mean, YM is definitely a swing account. If you have your own personal account and you want to buy and hold, YM is the instrument. I was actually thinking about potentially trading YM too. And maybe in a personal or something, maybe. Just catch a swing, but I probably won't be able to hold overnight because I'm gonna start off with like a small $500, so they probably won't even let me hold it overnight. Shit, YM, that's shit. That has a good sound to it, man. Huh? That's interesting, Alfred, that you said that, because that's something that gold doesn't do. She doesn't have random reversals. Gold's reversals are not random. They're annoying when they happen. But they are not random. She's bouncing at support. She's rejecting at resistance. It is definitely not a random bounce. Man, that would have been nice. I know what I need to do. The question is, will I do it? That's the question. Will I do it? I know what I need to do. The question is, will I do it? I mean, I think me and YM was supposed to hook up, but then I met Gold. Me and YM was supposed to hook up, but then I met Gold. And she's had my heart ever since. I think me and YM was supposed to meet up for coffee or something. And And that day just never happened. I did not have trading relations with that woman. I don't know what is, you said ES, SC, SE? Who's that? Easy? I, I don't know who ES is. I never traded ES a day in my life. You said ES and YM's the same. Yeah. A lot of people's been a lot of people have been saying that I think Alfred also said this as well. RTY is actually a really good instrument to trade too. I think I looked at it for like 2 seconds and I was like, nah. Mm-mm. Gold, all I'm asking is just to do what I need you to do. I just know that it could be coming pretty soon. We could be trading into support. We could be, but we are leaving resistance. We are leaving supply. So, I mean, we're leaving supply. I mean, not only are we leaving supply, we got the double top. We got the break of the EMAs. I think I should be good here. I should be good. But this thing can bounce though. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say that it can't, because I do think that we will see a breakout. Pretty soon. Yeah, and honestly, I'm not that's kind of why I stopped trading the ES. I need consistency. I need to the price needs to do the same thing or close to the same thing every day. I don't want to play the game where, I mean, is today going to be the day where she chops and she doesn't break out the orb, or, you know, she doesn't do what I expect her to do? I don't want to play those games. Yeah. You said RTY is too many. I mean, it's a bunch of trash stocks though. It's a bunch of trash stocks. I mean, low cap stocks is, I guess, how I should say. Uh, in the Discord I was in way back when, everybody's go-to trade was the short RTY. That was like the mantra. We're shorting RTY. We're shorting RTY, and we're gonna make money. And everybody came back making money shorting RTY. Yeah. Honestly, thinking about RTY, well, I don't feel sorry for nobody. I don't feel sorry for them. They chose, it's their money and they can do whatever the hell they want with it. You don't feel sorry for people that make choices. You only respect their choices. But they were warned about AMC. I was never in the AMC cult, but man, AMC used to make me so much money when I was trading options. That was my favorite trade, was selling spreads on AMC. Favorite trade. That's all I did. That was the first trade I took every week. Every week, we're selling spreads on AMC. And then when it just kept going down, and the volatility was going down and not making me money anymore, I had to let her go. It was tough to let her go, but shit, if you're not performing, if you're not a part of the team anymore, I'm gonna let you go. They say if you love her, you let her go, right? There's a reason for that. If you love her, you let her go. If you hold her against her will, because girls like to be free. They're free spirits. They're feminine energy. Feminine energy is freedom, rebellion. They don't like to be enclosed, trapped. They will run, and they will run fast. And as you try to chase them, they'll run faster. But here's the crazy thing. You let them go and say, okay, you know what? I respect your decision, and you mean it. For whatever reason, that free energy tends to come back and tries to, not only does it comes back, but it comes back stronger than ever. Comes back stronger than ever. There's no rhyme or reason to the feminine, but actually there is a rhyme and reason. There is. It's always how they feel. Every single time. It's how they feel. And if they feel a certain way, regardless of logic, that's reality for them. But I had to let AMC go. She didn't want to be a part of the team anymore. I had to let her go. I cut her off. And I remember being a part of this Twitter space. And this guy, his name is Profits Taken. He gives out free option plays. I'm pretty sure he still does that. Pretty sure. He was a CEO of, I think, of a firm. So he was actually a quote unquote professional trader before he decided that he wanted to help retail. And he would give out free option plays. And someone invited him to speak because, he was actually in the space and he was giving his insight. Now, he was trying to explain that AMC would probably never see the number that people expected it to go to. Now, with all the dilution and all the dark pools and all the other stuff that happened behind the scenes, GameStop happened because no one expected that to happen. But there was no way that they was going to allow AMC to do it. So allegedly, because we can't prove it, I'm pretty sure that AMC was suppressed. Because if the amount of shares that retail was holding, if AMC actually shot up the same way that GameStop did, you would have had millionaires, billionaires overnight. And that's just not how the game is played. The game needs slaves. If everybody's rich, who's going to be the slaves? Who's going to be the workers if everybody's rich? So they was not going to let that shit happen. I already knew that. But he was trying to explain that don't put your life savings, don't take a second mortgage on your house. Don't take out a loan. Just if you have shares and you believe in the stock, just hold it. And if you're right, then you'll make enough money to last you this lifetime, because going into debt in hopes of becoming rich is kind of silly. It's kind of silly. And we all know what happened to AMC. We can actually look at AMC and look at it. I think it's like at $1 or $2. I mean, the game plan that made the stock viable was that the hedges were in short, and they need to sell or they need to buy out of their positions that will cause a squeeze. Dude, that shit is at $1, I think now, $1 or $2. AMC. They don't need to hold that thing anymore. They probably already sold out of their positions, and they're probably good. What is AMC stock price? Well, I mean GME. I mean, I think GME is because it, dude. If that dude, or what is his name, Roaring Kitty, if he did not, because he was up like $1 billion, right? And there was rumors that he was actually being financed by like hedge funds and shit like that, and that they used his influence to kind of push up the stock. And when he had when he went live, they halted the stock. They halted the stock so there wouldn't be like a short squeeze in the stock. But he was up $1 billion in options in stocks, I believe. If he didn't sell that shit, there's no way that he didn't sell that. How much, like, dude, if you didn't sell when you're up $1 billion, then I know there is no number that you'll sell at. There is no number you will sell at if you can't sell at $1 billion. I think previously, and I don't know if this is true, but they were saying that he was up like 20 million or something like that and didn't sell. Dude, I'm selling that shit. I'm selling that. I mean, I can be the face of this movement, but I'm about to pocket some of that money. And then he had a wife and kid, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know this man's life. I'm just assuming. If he had a girl, I'm pretty sure his girl was like, bruh, you better sell some of them stocks. You better bring in at least 2 or 3 mil. You better. But anyway. Yeah, the stock is at like $2. I think that was the price of the stock before it squeezed. I know a lot of hedge funds probably had to they went out of business and they probably opened up another firm because that's how the game is played. But yeah, it's literally, oh shit, dude, I knew I wasn't gonna do it. I knew I wasn't gonna do it. I was actually looking around this area to sell, but you know what? I'm gonna let this thing ride, man. I'm gonna let it ride. If it gets to that blue line, I'm gonna see what it does there. I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna take a chance on gold tonight. I'm gonna take a chance on her. Where's GME at? I think GME is probably like at $20. I think it could be at $20. The last time I looked at it, and that was a while ago. Oh, so is that 60? Oh, General Motors. Really? Okay, so yeah, it's still at $20. Okay. It's at $20. And I don't know if they've done any splits afterwards. Like I said, I don't follow the stock, so I don't know if they split it, if it's probably more and they did like maybe a 10-to-1 split or something like that. But I even though I wasn't in the AMC stock, I did follow the drama. Actually, that was kind of my favorite pastime, just looking at people convince themselves of a lie. There was like, oh man, the CEO of whatever his name is, Aaron or whatever his name is, he bought a silver mine, a gold mine, and that's going to help the dude. This is a movie theater. Why the hell is he buying a fucking gold mine? Why? Like, why? That makes no damn sense. It was like, dude, it was like the most stupidest thing. It was just so stupid. But what I found interesting about that whole thing was that people was just eating it up. Like it's like if it dips, I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna like they truly believe that the stock was going to squeeze. And people lost a lot of money behind that because that shit's at $2. And I know, I mean, it's devastating. It's devastating to believe something, putting all that money into something just for it to not work. All right, I know what I need to do. I'm probably not gonna do it. To be completely honest, guys, I ain't gonna do it. I'm just hoping for a breakdown. That may not come. Alfred, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I'm trying to find reason to stay in this move. I'm trying to find reason. It's not my pride, Alfred. It's greed. It's greed. You know what, Alfred? That does make sense. I should do that. I should do that. I'm not doing it, so the alternate version of Sherm, he's doing it right now. The take profit Sherm in a parallel universe, all he does is takes his profits. He's a billionaire right now. They call him take profit Sherm. He's always taking his profits. Blasphemous. He thinks not taking his profits is blasphemous. Ah, man. I have faith in you, Gold. I have faith in you. Knock down. Keep on going. I'm not going to let it come back to my stop. Because, I mean, if it bounces here, then I kind of know. I mean, that's kind of why I drew that line there. Yeah. Because we got the break, pullback, break, they break structure, and this could be a breakout pullback right here. This could be a breakout pullback, but we are leaving resistance, so. But I'm not going to let it come back to my stop, though. Hold on, what are you talking about? Cave Trader, he says, so you can right click down on the time and change it from 12 to... what are you talking about? Are you talking about the time? What are you talking about? Are you talking about on the X platform? Oh, okay. Yeah, I keep it on a military time on purpose. I'm used to it. Oh, okay. Man, how else am I supposed to know what time it is? All I know is military time. Honestly, I mean, honestly, I really don't see why that's like just the normal way to. Why is not that just like the normal way to set your clock? I mean, and you can look at the clock and you don't have to pay attention if it's AM or PM. You just know. You say you can't tell what time you're looking at? Huh. So Smith just said that he took a gold trade, and he said gold pissed him off. Huh. Man, come on, gold. I mean, you don't have to push higher right now, even though I know you could. Uh, hmm. All right, let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do here. If they can push this thing right back down, that would be awesome. You know, that's so interesting. That is interesting, K Trader. That's interesting. I guess everybody that's kind of used to that time, I guess we don't think about it. And I guess I kind of always, I mean, as crazy as this sounds, I guess I assume people kind of knew it because I knew it, I guess. So I assume everybody else knew it because it's not like I, went out and I guess I kind of had to learn it. I had no choice, but. Smith said that dude, I mean, don't you hate when that shit happens? What is it about your funded account, your personal account? Oh shit, okay. Man, I had the opportunity to do it and I didn't do it. Oh man. I had an opportunity to do it and I didn't do it. Come on, Gold, just reject for me. Just reject. Reject for your boy. Shit. Damn it. Damn. But you know that was blasphemous. And yeah, Rudkit, Take Profit Sherm is, man, he gets all the bitches. He has all the money, all the cars. He has like 10 million houses because he's always taking profits and he's always allowing his investments to pay for his lifestyle. He has a castle in Dubai. Prop firms hate him. Every day that they're always plotting to ban him. Oh, the prop firms hate him. So we gotta run 10 promos this week just to pay off Take Profit Sherm. Just to pay out all his payouts that he gets. We hate Take Profit Sherm. Yep. I need to be more like Take Profit Sherm. When Take Profit Sherm sees profit, he takes it. Mm. No, take Take Profit Sherm. He's still streaming. He's still streaming. He's probably thinking like, man, I take so much profits. There probably is an alternative version of myself right now that doesn't take profits and only gets his target. He sets a target and that's an optional. That's if the market gets there. But if he sees the market stalls out, he takes his profits without a second thought. He doesn't hold. He doesn't allow price to come back to his break even just to hit his target. Once he see price starting the weekend, he takes his profit and he repositions. I don't know about that. NQ besties. I mean, yeah. I mean, you know, me and NQ rekindled our flame today a little bit. She was being nice to me today, but I already know that I know that's temporary. Oh man, Gold, come on, baby, please, please. Oh man, that's hilarious. I guess if we should all take lessons from Take Profit Sherm. We should all take lessons from him. Damn, I gotta be like take profit sure. Hold on. Smith said that where were you long at? Where were you long at? You know, honestly, that's I'll take that from take profit Sherm. Hitting my stop and drawdown, that's also blasphemous. I'm gonna stop doing that. That's blasphemous. I'm not gonna do that. Hold on, did I oh shit. Hmm. Oh shit. Man, damn it, gold. Nice one, Apex. Nice one. This never ceases to amaze me. Why the hell am I why is my contracts not getting filled? Well, okay. You see how this thing just bounces at that line perfectly? So this is kind of how I know I do this to myself. This is how I know I do this to myself. Damn. Yeah, well. All right. Well, my only hope now would be oh shit. My only hope now. Actually, let me make sure that that's the correct trend line. Yeah, I think I'm gonna scalp Nasdaq. I don't think I'm gonna scalp gold. I really don't see a reason to scalp gold, but I can scalp Nasdaq. Damn. Damn. A tick. Nasdaq missed me by a tick there. A tick. Honestly, over the weekend I try to figure out like what's what's up with that. What is it about my targets? No matter where I put it, the market will speed up until my target and then slow down. Like, what's up with that? Hmm. Wow. Mm, mm. That happens to you all the time, dude. It's like it's so crazy, especially when you're heavy. It's such an uneasy feeling. Yeah, I mean, Cave Trader. Uh, I don't know if this thing crashes. Man, the last real crash we had was COVID, and then they bought that shit right back up. It's been going up ever since. We haven't even. I don't think we'll ever see those numbers again. But then we also got to think that I mean, Trump ain't gonna let that shit happen. Trump is not about to let this market crash, especially if he can do something about it. I mean, we can definitely see like a significant pullback or something. I mean, damn, dude. Damn, gold. Damn. 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 I mean, I didn't need you to sell off, but shit. You mean, damn. You got to go all the way back to my break even, man. Damn. All right. I mean, this is a daily chart. And the Nasdaq is definitely on its way down. It is definitely on its way down. Yeah, I mean, yeah, dude, it's been like fine for like 2 years. Yeah, I mean, I agree with that. You know what, Alfred? If I can, here's what I'll do. Here's what I'll do. Once we get the scalping, the Nasdaq scalp, oh shit, man, that should blow the account instantly, man. I don't know. Shit, I don't know. Because all it takes is one bad trade and the account is gone. Because if it goes up, well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. You know, actually, Alfred, I misread that. I misread that as I need to start trading with Take Profit Trader. But you were referring to Take Profit Sherm. But still, that's why I'm trading with that's why the futures funded desk. That's why I chose them, so I can get the daily payouts, but without having to worry about that stupid trailing drawdown. And it's a static account, so I can grow it. And once I grow that thing, because it's a live account. Once I'm live, it's a live account. So you can keep it as long as you need it, or keep it as long as you blow until you blow it. And I can build that account over time. And that's my plan for that account. Just building it over time. Taking them daily payouts, baby. But I mean, this is a daily chart on Nasdaq. I mean, oh shit, we have Nvidia next tomorrow. We have Nvidia, so we might actually see a dip. Eddie says, nice trade. Oh shit, my gold trade. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's see what it's doing. Oh shit, we up, baby. Shit, we up. We up, baby. We up, baby. We up, baby. I know what I need to do. The question is, will I do it? I know what I need to do. The question is, will I do it? Would I do something so blasphemous? I mean, it's not like if I were to take my profits, because that's where my original target was, right here. What my plan was is that I was gonna move my limit order down, and if it broke down, I was gonna trail. But it looks like it's jumping at my area, so I actually would have taken profits already. And you know what? Okay, if it comes back, then you know whatever, man. If it comes back, I'll take it. I'll take it if it comes back. Gold is like, yeah, okay. We'll see. We'll see. No. 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 You say you're gonna take it? Break down for me, gold. Break down for me. Break down for me. Break down for me. break that thing. Because, I mean, shit, the Bears, I mean, dude, the Bulls, what are the Bulls going to do? They failed to take out that trend line breakdown for me, baby. They failed to take out that trend line. What are you going to do? Buy it? Come on, baby. Come on, just vindicate me tonight, man. Just vindicate me tonight. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Nasdaq did it for me. Nasdaq vindicated your boy tonight. Just vindicate me, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, just vindicate me. Dude, like, how does she do that? Come on. Dude. Just hit it. How does she know? How does she know? Just hit it. Baby, just hit it. Just hit it. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Thanks. Now this thing's gonna probably keep going down. Okay, I'm good, man. You know. All right, Gold. I see you there, baby. I see you there. Shit. God damn. Famous trader's words, just hit it. Man, look at her now. Look at her. Look at her. All right, man. All right. Okay. All right. I guess that's enough excitement for tonight, right? Yeah. Damn. Now she want to act like now I'm not in it. Now she's showing some enthusiasm now. Like, what the hell? Hey, we got vindicated tonight, baby. We got vindicated, and that's what matters. That's what matters. Vindication. All right, let's make sure that I got all. Look at that, dude. That's so crazy, man. I could have had more money. I could have had more. No, Gold. Why? But I mean, we took two good trades. We took this trade on Nasdaq, and we took a trade on gold. So I think that's about it for tonight. Actually, yeah, you're right, man. Let me just lock the account out, man, for like not all day though, but until tomorrow. Yeah, probably like 6 though. Yeah. Man, let me just lock this account out, man. Let me lock it out, man. God damn it, Gold. God damn. God damn it. Let me lock it out. Ugh. Gold, come on. Like, But I do appreciate that Gold was nice to me because, man, it looked like Gold was going to stop me out of this move. But the one thing that I did notice that kind of gave me conviction in this trade was this double top at the highs. Double tops at resistance on Gold is kind of like they're gimme trades, man. That's kind of when I was like, okay, I should be good, but Gold. Damn, this thing went an extra. Can I explain that? Yeah, sure. So if you're a technical analyst, the one thing I will say about gold, and it's all instruments, but gold, especially gold, ES, CL, commodities in general, it's all computer. Like They all make measured moves. And price action is king in instruments where there's low liquidity. Because the market has to generate its liquidity. Like you see, like right here, you see like where I had this line right here. It's because of this right here. This is where they broke out. They came back and the bulls tried to buy it. But because they failed to take out the trend line right here, the market used the bulls, their stops, to fuel this market lower. When you're trading gold, ES, CL, whatever, if you want to take a really great trade, look for areas where you're buying and selling into stops. Now, with this double top, on gold, when you see a double top, 9 times out of 10, you're good. Let's see if we can find examples. Like right here, double top, they failed to take out that high. Actually, I took this trade at the end of the yesterday because I saw that I saw the double top and I said, you know what? They're not going to take that high out. They're not going to break out. The breakout is going to fail and the market is going to come back down. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. Look at this double bottom. As the market was coming down, it came to a double bottom and we got a bounce. Price traded right back into right here where we saw the initial break. So let me actually draw this. Okay. Oh, I was like, dude, what the hell's my pen? All right, so, and this is why I only trade gold in my funded accounts because I don't want to deal with the shenanigans. But anyway, you got this range right here and look at where price comes back. We got the breakdown. Price double bottoms at this low. Price comes right back to the range. It taps that range perfectly. We get a 2-legged pullback. And if you kind of look to the right, this is where we are. So we got the 2-legged pullback into support. And this is where I was short originally. I kind of thought that we was going to still go down, but obviously this is the stop run, and price pulled back to the breaker structure, and the bulls did push it, but there's this trend line coming down. They failed to take out the trend line, so unfortunately for the bulls here, they got their stops ran, and now lo and behold, look at where price is coming back to. So we could see either we're going to see a rejection right there, or we're going to possibly see a price breakout right there. So gold is very reliable when it comes to market structure, chart geometry, measured moves, double tops, double bottoms, and most importantly, trend lines. If you're not drawing trend lines on your gold chart, I promise you, you don't know where you are on the chart. And I promise you, 9 times out of 10, you're probably buying and selling into a trend line and wondering what's happening. I promise you, trend lines are so important on ES, CL, gold, commodities, anything that has low liquidity. Trend lines are important. And we draw trend lines all the time. And I've already shown that trend lines work. Yeah. And another thing about gold is once we have the breakout, do not short it. Do not short a breakout. Do not long a breakdown. The reason why you don't want to short it is because once price breaks out, all it's doing is running stops. And if you're a bear, what do bears do? As price goes up higher, they sell into it, and the market lets the bears do it. You can just see it. Look, the bears, the market allowed the bears to think that they were doing something, and lo and behold, what do? They break out. It goes higher, same thing, breaks out. It goes higher, same thing, breaks out. To safely short a trend, a breakout trend, is you got to look for the reversal patterns. You got to look for the higher lows. I'm sorry, the lower highs and the lower lows. And that's how you shape and you short the pullback after the lower highs and the lower lows are in. So you wait for the lower high, you wait for the lower low, you wait for the pullback, and this is the trade that you take right here. It's this leg right here is where you'll make your day. And you can see right here, another double top. Gold sweeps the liquidity above this high, and we get another dump. So I know that I can rely on double tops on gold. So when I see a double top, my confidence level in the trade, or confidence in if I'm going short and I see a double top, then I know that if price goes above that high, then I'm wrong. I'm absolutely wrong, because I haven't seen yet where gold creates a double top and price randomly stops what it's doing just to take out that high to continue to trend, like how Nasdaq will do. Nasdaq will do something like right here. So she'll make a double top, she'll go halfway, and then for no reason she'll take out the liquidity above that high, like she didn't do it already. She'll take it out and then she'll go back down. You won't see that in gold. You won't see that in ES. I haven't traded CL in a long time, but when I did trade CL, it didn't do that either. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully that kind of gives you a better idea that gold is not the Nasdaq. Gold is more similar. She trades like the ES and moves like the Nasdaq. But if you're an ES trader, gold is probably a better option, because 10 points on gold is worth more than 10 points on ES, and you're still looking for the same setup. So honestly, I'm surprised that there's even ES traders when gold exists, when they both trade similarly and you make more money on gold. I really don't know. And you won't be in ES jail. Now, the ES orb, I feel, is probably the best orb to take. Nasdaq is hit or miss, but if ES breaks out, it's going to break out. But you can kind of tell when the ES is going to with a false breakout because of the EMAs. But I guess ES has its anyway, yeah, no problem. But all right, guys, that's it for me tonight. I think we had a lot of fun. I'm just glad that gold was merciful to me and actually hit that target, because like I said, I kind of figured that I was going to get the short, but I didn't know if she was going to come back to my break even and do exactly what she did right here, or if she was going to run this high and break out. Because if she ran that high, shit, I mean, it's going to run this high, then it's going to run this high, and then we're just going to have a breakout trend. And there was nothing I could have done in that situation. So I'm just glad that she didn't do that. Now, I won't be surprised tomorrow to see the market break out, but gold is actually selling off though. Gold is selling off. The last time gold kind of did this type of price action was the first time when gold went to 3K. Gold was just so bullish. You couldn't short gold. If you tried to short gold, I mean, you were basically becoming a liquidity donation to gold. And then she did it again when she broke out above 3,600. And you can kind of see that she broke out of this and we got that run after, or is this 30? Yeah. Okay. So this is 3,600. And this is why we got this big push because once gold consolidated, look at all this, how many times gold consolidated in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And everybody was short above these highs, and they had their buy stops above these highs. And once price finally tapped into these stops, when gold is in a breakout trend, it's hard to stop. Look how many red candles. You only had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red days in about what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 30, about 32, around 33, if I miscounted, around 33 days, green days on gold, and only 9 red days after the breakout trend. So, yeah, hopefully that helps. Hey, yo, what's up, Tony? Hopefully that helps. Yeah, and this is why it's such a cognitive dissonance to me when I lose on gold, because I have a understanding of gold. I understand how it moves. It's just me. I don't know why I do it to myself. Looks like the Nasdaq hits my target here. All right. So all right. Cool. But all right, guys, that's going to be it for me tonight. I do appreciate everybody that joined. We definitely will come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.